Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lucky GD again, and today we're beating this level right here. I'm just gonna assume that there's Aku enemies since the name of the level literally has Aku in it. I have a repair person coming to my house, so sorry if there's like... No, you have got to be kidding me! No! Are you introducing me to two new enemies in one? Oh, sorry. Sorry about my headphones. I don't know why that's happening, but it is happening. So, yeah. How much health does the shield have? No. Okay, sorry that this video was a bit short. I did not intend it to be that short. But, yeah. Nice. Introduced to two more enemies. So, great. Yeah. Nice. I made it. I forgot to proceed, and now this is the best part. 3 platinum shards. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. Bye. Just a video now. Oh, don't give it a meow, please.